Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Alex, giving you the best at it best and a real. Earlier this week, news reported that Boyne has passed away. He was known for being an international journalist on the Jamaican Gleaner. He has paved the way for many, including myself, to explore and strive in journalism. Last week, Saturday, Alkaline had a birthday party in New York City. According to many sources, a song from Vybz Kartel was played. And this is how Alkaline responded to it. Although many felt like Tony should have responded that night, he came back on Instagram and posted.
So, all the man this and you rush the man there, and the man there, this, and sometimes, I know everybody, and I know every time. You understand? Sometimes you just try and level down things because the amount of bad people in the club last night, and you see it? If me go escalate it, the DJ are gonna get hurt, the people them gonna get hurt because my people them in there. And that's why so much tribal in the fucking business. Cause that the man have him crew, that the man have him crew. So you feel say if you violate all the time. Certain things, you just hold on. Yeah, you gotta have some little man run with it.
Hand in hand with Ding Dong's push for no violence this Christmas. And of course, Vybz Kartel has something very much to say. He posted this on his Instagram. And he continuously put more on his Instagram. But that's for other news. 2 days ago, Pamputtae performed that ghetto splash, but she had a couple of words to say after, and she posted this on her Instagram.
You can't style me. People me run Ghana ghetto splash and them a style me, them no want me for work. I forgot to them show is an all-man show. I don't know if the female for them, for put the female on the car. Me are the only female in the venue, them don't want me for perform. Me I wonder why. Being him and know say me for work and him a hurry for work and him have much just in song. Being him have song from before me even I wear panty. Jamie, you can't style me. Patrick Roberts, you can't style me. You too wicked and bad. Me no like on style. You style me, but it's alright. Enough me too blood clot. Enough you can't call me again because me never come.
Ishawna not stop until she get her equal rights. She should not stop even in a Spanish she go.
Earlier today, Ishawna posted a new song on Instagram, Equal Rights, but the Spanish version. Here's a snippet of that video.
Hombre, si tú tienes una boca limpia, bébame como Coca-Cola. Si no hay fuerza en la cadera, utiliza la boca. Igualdad de derechos y justicia.
Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dance entertainment, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all.